Good morning, students. How are you? I, Vimi Bandari, is your SST teacher. Today we are going to start the chapter The Southern Plateau. You have completed chapter 4, The Western Desert. Today we are going to start chapter 5, The Southern Plateau. Features of Southern Plateau. It lies to the south of the northern plains. It is a triangular in shape. It covers a large part of India. It is surrounded by Aravalli Range, Rajmahal Hills, Eastern Ghats, and the Western Ghats. You can see in the map the southern plateau is surrounded by the Aravalli Range, Western Ghats, Rajmahal Hills, and Eastern Ghats. The first part in the map shows the central highland. Second is showing Deccan Plateau and third is showing Chota Nagpur Plateau. It means the southern plateau is divided into three parts: Central Highland, Deccan Plateau, Chota Nagpur Plateau. The image shown below is an elevated flatland. It is a plateau. A plateau is a flat top tableland standing above the surrounding area. In our country, the southern plateau is roughly triangular in shape. Major part of the plateau region has fertile black soil. The southern plateau is bound by the Western Ghats in the west and by the Eastern Ghats in the east. The southern plateaus are divided into two equal parts by the Narmada River, the Central Highland and the Deccan Plateau. The Central Highlands consist of the Malwa Plateau and the Chota Nagpur Plateau. The Chota Nagpur Plateau falls in the states of Jharkhand, northern Orissa, and northeastern Chhattisgarh. This area is rich in various minerals such as coal, iron, manganese, mica, etc. Some of the big steel plants are located in Jamshedpur, Rourkela, and Bokaro. Many rivers originate in the Deccan Plateau. The rivers which originate in Deccan Plateau are Godavari, Mahanadi, Krishna, Kaveri, Narmada, Tapi, Shravati, Periyar. Godavari, Mahanadi, Krishna, and Kaveri flows into Bay of Bengal. Narmada, Tapi, Shravati, and Periyar flow into the Arabian Sea. The river Godavari is regarded as Dakshin Ganga. This region has many dams, and these dams are built on the following rivers: Mattur Dam, Kaveri River; Krishna Raja Sagar Dam, Kaveri River; Nagarjun Sagar Dam, Krishna River; Hirakud Dam, Mahanadi River. Climate in the plateaus. The summers are hot and dry in these regions. Hot winds and dust storms are common in May and June. In the monsoon, rainfall along the eastern and western Ghats is heavy. The rest of the area receives moderate rainfall. In most parts of southern India, the winter season is short and mild. People need to wear only light woolen clothes during this season. Life in the plateau region. Many states of India, including Madhya Pradesh, parts of Maharashtra, Karnataka, Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and Tamil Nadu, lie in the plateau region. Madhya Pradesh. It lies in the center of India in the central highland region. It has a dry and wet climate. Bhopal is the capital of Madhya Pradesh. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people here. They grow wheat, sugarcane, pulses, cotton, etc. Panna is a well-known diamond mine of the state. This state is famous for forest reserves and has more than 10 national parks. The Kahana National Park is located in this region. People speak Hindi and Marathi. Chhattisgarh. This state was formed in 2000 out of Madhya Pradesh. The climate is hot and humid. The main occupation is farming and mining. Bhilai steel plant is located here. It has scenic waterfalls such as Chitrakoot Falls. People speak Hindi here. Odisha. Odisha lies towards the southeast of Chhattisgarh in the central highland. Rice and jute are the main crops of this region. People speak Odissi. Maharashtra. It lies in the northwestern part of the Deccan Plateau. This state has irregular monsoon climate. Farming is the main occupation of the people. Mumbai is the capital of the state. Cotton and sugarcane crops grown in this state. It has many textile industries. People speak Marathi, Hindi and Konkani. Jharkhand. Jharkhand was made out from the state of Bihar in 2000. The climate is hot and humid. Ranchi is the capital of the state. It is rich in minerals and forest reserves. Farming, mining, animal rearing are the important occupations. People grow paddy, oil seeds, sugarcane, etc. People of Jharkhand speak Hindi, Bihari, etc. Andhra Pradesh. It is located in the Deccan Plateau region. Farming, mining, animal rearing are important occupations. This region has rich deposits of mica and limestone. Farmers grow rice, jawar, tobacco, groundnut, etc. This state is the largest producer of tobacco in India. People speak Telugu and Urdu. Telangana. It was formed in 2014 from Andhra Pradesh. Farmers grow rice, tobacco, maize. Hyderabad is the capital of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. People speak Telugu. Nagarjuna Sagar Dam is the one of the largest dam in the world. Charging भी लगा दीजिए. Tamil Nadu. It lies to the south of Andhra Pradesh. Agriculture, weaving and fishing are the main occupations of the people in Tamil Nadu. People grow rice, sugarcane, groundnut, bananas, etc. Tea, coffee and rubber are grown along the slopes of the Nilgiri hills. Tamil Nadu is known for the textile and leather industry. Tamil is the main language of the people here. The Karnataka. It lies to the south of Maharashtra. People grow coffee, sugarcane, cotton, spices, etc. It has sandalwood forest. It has 5 national parks including Bandipur. Kannada is the state language. It is a major center of the IT industry. क्लास ओवर हो गई या छोड़ दी?
ओवर हो गई है।
तो गुस्सा क्यों खा रहा है बैठा हुआ?